Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and check this out. That's the noise of a dead battery. That sucks. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery real quick, okay? All right guys, we pop the hood. Your battery's on the driver's side. It's right under there. So you need to remove this piece of plastic. Take a little small screwdriver and these things just pop up. And that's it. And you pop this up. Just take these other things out. Now you want to remove this whole piece, or at least get it out of the way like that. Okay. Now here's your battery. Now you need to disconnect the terminals. I think this is a 10 millimeter. And this one we had to. All right, guys. I'm just gonna pull this whole thing out to give me more room. Now, just take these off. Just loosen them. All right. Next, you gotta loosen up these guys. They're also 10 millimeter. These don't feel right. Yep, they broke. So this side. Once you get it loose, hopefully it won't break on you like that. But once you get it loose, just get this out of the way. And the battery comes out. All right, guys. So just hooks down here like that, and this is what holds the battery from the top. Now it's the same thing on this side. So this one broke, so I have to get another one of these. But for now, let's go get another battery. All right, guys, we're in Walmart. That's the kind you need. If they don't have the 24, you could also, the other option is the 35. So this is a 35. Check it out, guys. So that's what it calls for, 24F, max 24F. If not, it's a 35, okay? Check it out, guys. I bought this 3 years ago. So I just missed a 3-year free replacement. But they're gonna prorate it and I'll get something back. But here's the difference. $725, $890. So it's better than the one I had before. This one's $640, $785. So. All right, guys, check it out. I got $32 back for the old battery. So it cost me about $100. If this would have happened about 5 months ago, I would have got a free replacement battery. So what you gotta do? All right, guys, I'm gonna take this out. I'll put the battery in and dump all this stuff. I want to clean this. I'm just gonna leave it. Let's put this back in. And actually, I'm just gonna take this out because I gotta get another rod. All right, guys. Now, make sure when you put this back on, the positive goes to the positive side, okay? All right, guys, take a little screwdriver and pop off these plastic caps. All right, now you can put your terminals on. Make sure they go all the way in. Okay, next now you're gonna put this bracket over and you get your new rods. I'm gonna get new rods like this. All right, guys, I picked up some new hold downs. This is what the old one looked like. Make sure they're around the same size. And these came with new nuts and a couple of washers. All right, guys, take your rod, and what you want to do is hook it to this hole down here, like that. And then you want to take this bracket and put it over like that. Then you want to put your washer. You don't really need the washer. Comes with it, might as well use it. And then put this nut on it. So position the bracket the right way. I already did the other side. And just tighten it up. It's easy with the wing nuts, you know. You might want to take a pair of pliers if you want to tighten it up more, but the battery is pretty secure. Now you want to put the plastic on. Now you want to take these clips, put this cipher in first, and then you put the other one. And then you got this side. You just press it in. That's it. All right, guys, she starts. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.